if it is done to you, I'm telling you, slap the guy, create a scene, create a scandal, because that incident, however little, will reach me. And if that it does, you can be sure, if I do not call you an idiot, I will go there myself. That is a promise, that is a pledge. Make it a part of my oath of office. Lahat kayo dyan, pati ang easement, well, under Villar, okay na. Pero yung easement, $1 billion, $1 billion pesos. Well, if it's a foreign company, it's $1 billion thing. Ganon yan, pabalik-balik at hindi binabayaran. That's why nagpatong, if all monies and revenues due government are collected in good faith, marami tayong pera. I'm telling you as president, marami tayong pera para extra money to uplift the mass of Filipinos who are suffering. Baski hospital lang and housing. Jobs, it's the economy that runs it. If the economy is good, more jobs. But in the meantime, itong hospitalization, education, the basic things, saka itong relocation. Kaawa talaga. Kung makolekta lang natin, hindi makurap ang pera, marami tayong pera. Kaya ako nagsabi, that's why I will make it public. I was a denying Filipino. I gave it to a group of people. Tapos, nagpabidding sila. Ang nagbidding nila is to allow a gambling casino to be erected there inside Dinayong Filipino. Kaya ako nagsabi, anong kahulugan ng Nayong Pilipino kung lagyan mo ng sugalan and without a bidding? You know, nandiyan yung mga general, they are there, chief of staff. Kasi paggaling doon, pumunta ako sa command conference. Pagdating ko sa command conference, may pinasa si Isane, ghost delivery sa AFP Hospital. Galing pa ako doon. When I was facing the military and police,